how you can reduce transparency of an object in Figma. So first step is to select the object where you want to reduce the opacity or transparency. For me, for example, this button. So I'm going to double click it, and on the right simply scroll down until you find appearance section, and here is the opacity. By default it's set to 100%, so it's visible. Opacity is near the corner radius in this area, and if you want to reduce it, you can select here the percentage, or you can just grab this little icon and move it to the left to reduce, or to the right to add opacity. So using this method you can reduce very clearly the opacity. It's barely visible right now, as you can see, and you can also make it normal again here. So that's basically how you can do it, reduce opacity or transparency in Figma. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.